Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 essential tools for DIY, repairs, and professional projects. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Number 10. Abrasive Belt Sander. This high-power sanding machine is a woodworker's dream. With adjustable angles ranging from 0 to 45 degrees, it offers precision sanding for a variety of projects. Powered by a 550-watt or 750-watt motor, it delivers consistent performance for polishing, shaping, and smoothing wood surfaces. The durable construction ensures longevity, while the user-friendly design makes it suitable for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 9. Smart Battery Charger. The HTRC T400 Pro is a smart charger capable of handling a variety of battery types, including LEHV, Life, Li-ion, ECD, NiMH, and PB batteries. With dual charging capabilities of up to 12 amps and support for both AC and DC inputs, it's perfect for RC toy enthusiasts and DIY electronics. The intuitive digital interface and safety features make it easy to use while ensuring maximum battery life. Number 8. Precision Screwdriver Set. This comprehensive 145-piece set is a must-have for anyone working on mobile phones, laptops, and other electronics. With hex, Phillips, and other screwdriver bits made from CRV steel, it's built for precision and longevity. The magnetic design ensures easy handling of small screws, while the ergonomic handle makes extended use comfortable. Whether you're a professional repair technician or a hobbyist, this set is an essential addition to your toolkit. Number 7. Industrial Heat Gun. This 2,000-watt industrial-grade heat gun is perfect for soldering, shrink wrapping, and general-purpose heating tasks. Designed for durability, it delivers consistent thermal performance. Whether you're working on electronics, removing paint, or sealing packaging, this versatile tool is built to handle it all. Number 6. Digital Zoom Microscope. The Have Digital Microscope offers a 7-inch LCD screen paired with a 12-megapixel HD camera for crystal clear magnification up to 1200x. Ideal for soldering, phone repairs, or even coin examination, it connects seamlessly to PCs for an enhanced viewing experience. Compatible with Windows and Mac, it's a plug-and-play device with no additional software required. Its adjustable angle and large display ensure a comfortable and precise user experience. Number 5. Pilot Arc Cutter. This plasma cutter features Pilot Arc technology, enabling non-contact cutting that extends the electrode's life and reduces wear. With adjustable air pressure and a central digital screen, users can fine-tune operations for optimal efficiency. Powered by advanced IGBT inverter technology, it offers a duty cycle of 60% and cuts through materials up to 16 millimeters thick. The 2T4T automatic cutting function and adjustable post-time cooling enhance usability, making this a reliable tool for metalwork professionals. Number 4. Cordless Ratchet Wrench. The WorkPro 12-volt cordless ratchet wrench delivers impressive power and convenience. With a maximum torque of 45 Nm and a no-load speed of 200 pm, this tool handles tough fastening jobs with ease. Weighing just 1.29 kilograms, it's lightweight and maneuverable, perfect for precision work. Available with 1 or 2 batteries, it ensures uninterrupted performance for DIY and car repair tasks. Cordless freedom meets professional-grade power in this versatile wrench. Number 3. Deburring Toolkit. This 15-piece deburring toolkit is designed to remove burrs and imperfections from plastic, aluminum, copper, and steel surfaces. With 3 distinct boundary options, it accommodates deep and shallow requirements, handling cross holes, curved edges, and straight edges effortlessly. The kit includes specialized high-speed steel blades for different materials, ensuring durability and precision. The ergonomic aluminum handle provides a comfortable grip, while the compact storage case keeps everything organized. Number 2. Pioneer Multifunctional Tool. Built from durable stainless steel, this multifunctional tool boasts an ergonomic straight handle for a secure grip. Featuring 14 practical functions, it's perfect for medical rescue, fire emergencies, and field scenarios. Highlights include 60mm serrated rescue scissors for cutting through tough materials like fabric, leather, and plastic. Its integrated design incorporates a vise head, main blade, saw, and plastic restraining belt shears, making it an all-in-one solution for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency responders. Number 1. Smart LCR Tweezer. The LCR ST1 is a state-of-the-art tweezer-style LCR tester designed for precision and portability. This versatile tool measures resistance, capacitance, inductance, diodes, and continuity with automatic accuracy. Its advanced measurement technology ensures reliable results every time. The 1.14-inch color screen enhances usability, while the magnetic adsorption function keeps everything secure. The tweezer design makes it perfect for tight spaces, while its lightweight frame makes it an indispensable companion for engineers and electronics enthusiasts alike. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.